In ancient Athens, there was a ship, the Ship of Theseus. For centuries it was preserved, sailed, repaired, maintained. Every time a plank rotted, it was replaced. One plank, then another, then 100 more. Eventually, every single piece of wood in the ship had been replaced. Not one original part remained. So here's the question that's haunted philosophers for over 2,000 years. Is it still the same ship? Think about it. One answer says yes. The ship's identity was never about the wood. It's about continuity, the unbroken thread of maintenance, purpose, and form. Same ship, new materials. The way a river is still the river, even though the water is never the same water twice. Another answer says no. If you gathered every discarded original plank and reassembled them somewhere else, which ship is the real one? The one sailing today, made entirely of new wood, or the reconstructed one, made of every original part? Now you have two ships. Both claim to be the original. Neither answer feels wrong, and neither one feels complete. This is the Ship of Theseus paradox. It's not a puzzle with a hidden trick. There's no reveal, no gotcha. It's a genuine fracture in how we define identity over time. You are not the same collection of atoms you were 7 years ago. Almost every cell in your body has been replaced. Your memories have shifted. Your beliefs have changed. Your body is, materially, a different object. And yet, you still call yourself by the same name. You still feel like you. Maybe identity was never about the material. Maybe it's a story we keep telling, stitched together across change, a pattern more than a substance. Or maybe that's just a comforting way to avoid the fact that the you from a decade ago is, in a real sense, gone. We do this constantly. A sports team with none of its original players is still the team. A company with none of its founding employees is still the company. A recipe, altered slightly by every generation, is still Grandma's recipe. We agree to call it continuity. We rarely ask why. The Ship of Theseus was never really about ships. It's about whether anything, a person, a relationship, a belief system, can survive being completely rebuilt, one piece at a time, and still be called the same thing. Drop same ship if continuity is what matters to you. Drop new ship if you think the material is the thing itself. There's no wrong answer here. That's what makes it worth sitting with. Next week, a question about knowledge itself. Can you know something is true, believe it's true, and still be wrong to call it knowledge? The answer broke a definition philosophers had trusted for over 2,000 years. Subscribe if you want to be here for it. The paradoxes only get deeper.